Kaudhi County ma Kilifi chenro mar bero mar ingreji ma ogol liete ma Shakahola no dhi nyime kawuono ka kwan ringre 12 ne otimne gi bero. Yangore ni thoth ringre go ne gin nyithindo ma kwan gi romo 7 kama dong gin ringre joma dongo. Nonro yango ni thoth ringre go ne okethore ahinya ka 4 kuomgi gin ji ma oyangore ne otho nikech kech. Lipot mar bero go ogol gi jabero maduong' ma piny owacho Dr. Johnson Udur eseche gogo riwruok mar Haki Africa kwa piny owacho ni orure mapiyo gigolo lipot mar nonro mar DNA ne anyuola mag jogo ma manyo wedegi.
Yeah, today we did a total of 12 postmortems, and among these 12 postmortems, 6 of them were female, while 4 were male. 2 we were unable to ascertain the gender. Children were the majority, which were 7, as adults were 5. Most of them were decomposed severely. This one who was a person who had died while in hospital. We were unable to do postmortem on this person during the last time we were here because we were tracing the relatives who we were able to find, and that enabled us to do the autopsy. So this was a relatively fresh person. Then most of them we were unable to determine the cause of death, being that they were decomposed. 8 of them actually were decomposed, but 4 of them we were able to determine that they died because of stabbing.
It was a shock kwetu kuona ya kwamba tutapata watu zaidi ya 400, na tunapoendelea, manake hii ni process imefika 4th phase na bado hatujui itaendelea labda paka Disemba ama January mwaka ujao, na tunavyozungumza tayari kuna dalili ya kwamba imeanza kujaa. Kwa hivyo sisi kama mashirika ni kusema ya kwamba serikali sasa ifocus na masuala ya DNA matching.
Kwa diwe chimotino record mi baadhi duol mochungne kido gimi